Q216-12 eastbound. Shoot, I forgot what truck he's on. I was on Nipple Ave when I heard him saying cleared Walkville. So I kind of to where here I am now. Nipple Ave is way over there where the cars are. Eastbound 2, okay. And he's moving pretty good. Oh, 92 degrees. Too hot. Too hot for me. I know some of you guys probably love it. Yeah, everybody's different. Everybody's unique in their own way. Alright guys, if you guys want to Fan Hill, I don't know if, let's see, there's the military 2.5 truck. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I don't know for sure. But that's where I know they go, on that side. Let's see if I can do this part. You see that too. But this is Randolph Road. So that's in case you guys want to Fan Hill. It's a good spot. Alright guys, talk to you guys later and we'll go from there. Alright guys, peace.